Alright guys, welcome back on this Lincoln Mkx. You can see everything is putting back together now. It's taking up a really good shape on this. Got the CV axle bolt side. The struts is bolted down. Both side. Headlights, both sides are good. The impact bar, or you could say the rebar, it's all bolted down. Condenser, the AC, the rad, everything. Update on the engine. Everything is all nice and tight, snug, installed. Harness. Now I just need to put the intake box and the tube. It's gonna be connecting all this. It's looking good, guys. Looking good. Progress. We have lots of progress. This side, CV axle is put back. Now we just need to put the bumper fascia and then connect the fog lights connectors. The latch is all put back together. When all that's done here in the front end, we're gonna do coolant. Gonna show you guys, the next video will be the coolant. How to bleed this thing proper way. Bleed the coolant out, fill her up. We'll take the bubbles out in the system. Pretty easy. And while I'm doing that, I will do the transmission. I'm gonna fill this up, the transmission fluid. When I took the CV axle off on the beginning, this thing is super dry. So now we're gonna fill her up. There's nothing in there. So dry. I lost probably like 4 liters of transmission fluid. So I got a brand new fluid here, about 6 liters of them from Ford dealer. So that's the update on this Lincoln. Just gonna just a quick overview on what's going on. It's really nice. I can't wait for this vehicle to drive on the street, clean it, polish it, inside outside of the vehicle. You can tell the bumper is up there. So that's it, guys. That's the update, and we'll see in the next video. We're gonna bleed the coolant and do the transmission oil in the right level so this thing can run. Hell yeah. So excited. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.